consider some of the best ways to spend a rainy afternoon. One option is curling up with a good book. This allows for immersion into another world, exploring new ideas and characters from the comfort of one's own space. The quiet atmosphere of a rainy day often provides the perfect backdrop for focused reading. Another popular choice is binge-watching a new television show. Streaming services offer vast libraries of content, providing hours of entertainment. This can be a relaxing way to escape reality and unwind, following captivating storylines and engaging characters. A third alternative is baking a delicious dessert. The process of baking can be therapeutic, and the aroma of freshly baked goods can fill a home with warmth and comfort. The reward of enjoying a homemade treat can be especially satisfying on a gloomy day. Lastly, taking a relaxing nap is another excellent way to spend a rainy afternoon. Napping can rejuvenate the body and mind, providing a boost of energy and improving overall mood. The sound of rain can be particularly conducive to sleep, creating a soothing and calming environment. Each of these options offers a unique way to make the most of a rainy day, catering to different preferences and interests.